Hey, welcome back to the Skull Survivor devlog. Today we're going to be working on some health upgrade uh, and just upgrades in general. I think I want a better way to unit test them, so we'll get right into it. All right, so one thing that I keep messing up is what you can and cannot see when I'm running my tests because the error system is there. So I'm going to try and keep it up higher. So I'll run all tests. Last video, we had set up this test here, and it's just saying that, the enabled health upgrade should bump it up. So here's the error line. First thing I notice here is that our test is not calling the on enable, and we're gonna want that because when on enable gets called, it runs some of the legacy code. So run all, and the legacy code bumps the health up to 105. And in fact, if it's disabled and we run on enable, it should be 100. So actually, there's an even better test here. That will be something like, oh, yeah, maybe if it's not already locked, right? So let's we'll remove that one. Actually, let's just copy this test because we're going to want to make it test escort health is set after unlocking the health upgrade. And so we'll just say test escort health is default with no unlocks. And we're going to say we should have 100 health and we'll have no upgrade. And we'll run that and we'll see that both of them are actually not passing because one is 105 and the other one is 125. And oh, fascinating. So why is it? Oh, because on enable. So actually this one is, that's not a valid test. So we'll just keep that one. All right. So in on enable, we call set max health is maxed equals current health equals max health. Max health equals base plus max health. If is maxed, current health equals max health. If current health is greater than max health equals current health. Fascinating. So here's the max health upgrade amount. If we set this to 25, then our other test will work, but it's not branching based on whether or not we have the upgrade. But we'll be back to one failing test. 105, 125. Is that right? Bam, bam. We're adding 25. Oh, because it's a prefab value. Do we want to keep that? No, I guess it's not. It's going to be just inside the thing. I can just make this private. And we don't need to worry about that being external. Since we're going to maintain this way anyway. Yeah, so we're passing. So we're getting 125, but if you don't have the upgrade, it is not. All right, so one thing I was thinking about was in an upgrade settings. So this upgrade settings here has an unlock options. And if we take the name of it, not the display name, but the name of the game object, then we can say like, that's the thing we're unlocking. And actually we should see if in the main menu, the unlock, let's see. So unlock menu item, unlock mode, it just uses the display name. I don't know if we want that. Item unlock name. Yeah, I don't know. Because if I rename an upgrade later, it'll just get disabled. I think that's okay. So we actually want to use that. So display name is health. So the name of the upgrade is actually going to be that. And I think what we probably want is just to say, before we call on enable, we can actually load up the prefab and we can use the name of that setting. So we're going to just say max health upgrade settings. And then dot display name. And we'll generate this as a field. And that field will have upgrade settings. And then that'll force us to populate it. We'll go ahead and get that done here. Run all. And now it was null. This one is also probably null. Clear, run all. Open airline. And that's because we can't unlock the particular item. So they're both failing now. So now what we would do is head over to our escort, open our prefab. Inside the prefab, we have this upgrade. We'll grab the health upgrade and have the display, increase your health, blah, blah, blah. And now this test should work if we save out of here, run all tests, and we will see now in here let's see, enable, unenable, set max health. So now we would check the status of that upgrade when we set the max health. And so I think here we can just say var upgrade amount equals game data dot is unlocked, unlock mode upgrade, and then dot name, display name, display name, max upgrade health amount. No, we want this, the settings, settings dot display name. So we're just checking if it's unlocked. And in fact, maybe we just want this thing to have like a public let's see here, display name, or check if upgrade is unlocked. Control enter, control space. Aha, I think Copilot is not running right now. All right, well, we're gonna just do this the old-fashioned way, because why not? I've been thinking about doing this, and we might do some other stuff pretty soon here. All right, is unlocked, blah, blah, blah. Okay, so we, yeah, so if it's unlocked, then we can say, use the max upgrade amount. Otherwise, do 0. And then now we can go in here. And boom. Oh, sad. Let's see. So we were still 100 here. And let's see. So we call on enable, set max health. We say, is it unlocked? And it says, if it is, use that amount. Otherwise, use 0. and then set it on the max health. So I wonder why. It would be 125 still. So delete all prefabs, set the selected level. I don't know that we even need to set the selected level at this point. We loaded the prefab, we instantiated the object, we called on enable, called set max health, max protection, on health upgrade. Display name is unlocked. Should have been. All right, well. Let's do a local. Is health upgrade unlocked? And then if it is, set the upgrade amount. We'll see this not running again. All right, and then we're gonna just try and debug our tests. Yes, enable debugging for the session. Run all. My old, yeah, okay. So right now it is false, which means it's gonna be 0, which means the max health is 125. What? Why would max health be set differently? Oh, because it is external? All right, let's just double check this guy over here. Hello, Monsieur Escort. All right, Escort health 100, 100, 100. Max protection time 105. Max health, base max health. Very curious indeed. So that upgrade amount, is it using the base health? Current health and max health. 100, 100. So the base max health plus the max health. And then we're adding 25 to it. Very strange. So we have no unlock. Just gonna throw some private on these. Ah, interesting. Well, current health does need to be public. And max health should probably be public getter. Let's see. Get private set. Oh no, what's the syntax for that? I can't remember now. Equals 100, I thought. Let's see. This is the problem. I've gotten too used to the AI tools, so now I gotta remember how to set these. So we want to get private set with initializer value auto property C#. Yeah. Oh, we need a semicolon here. Haha. Silly me. Compiling. All. Fascinating. All right. So we're going to go here. We're going to go back to debugging. We're going to go rerun this test. Run this again. All right, F11. Current health is 100. Max health is 100. They are equal. The upgrade is not unlocked. It is false. So we're going to be 0. Max health is going to be 125. Oh. Because we want this to be upgrade amount here. Ha, silly. Silly me. Run all. Hey, passing tests. Okay, so let's see. I think we accomplished what we wanted to. If we have the unlock there. A really good refactoring, however, would be to make our upgrade itself tell us if it is unlocked. And I really like that idea. So if we had just like something here that said public bool is unlocked, and then we said return game data dot is unlocked, unlock type, which I think can be mode. No, actually it needs to be publicly like that. And then display name. Oh, I love it. And we can even just say public unlock. And then we can say game data dot unlock, unlock type, display name, and void. And now we have a fancy little API to then say here, no. Although it might play out to be very nice in a lot of these places, but in S square health, we can just say is unlocked. And so now we don't even need that variable. We just say if it's unlocked, then use that upgrade amount. And then the button could use unlock if we wanted to later. There we go. All right, sounds good. Like, subscribe, share. Sorry I didn't use any AI this time. I think my Copilot license has expired, so I think today I'm going to be going on to using Code Whisper, and so I'll do a couple videos on Code Whisper. I've been using it a little bit, and I think the funny thing is that the 10 suggestions from Copilot is just so good, and I don't think that Code Whisper has it. And then maybe later I can try tab 9 or something, but we'll go back to trying not to write code ourselves and see how that goes. Anyway, see you next time. Like, subscribe, share, find people and bring them to the channel. And feel free to chat with me in the comments. Love having conversations around this stuff. See you all later.